What's going on YouTube? Quick and dirty video on the lunch break. This is the GoPro Hero 5. I don't know if this applies to the 7, it definitely applies to the 6, but this little door on the side of the GoPro, I'll show you the problem. So, you've got your GoPro, cool. Here's the door I'm talking about. You push down, you lift up. You've got your USB-C and your HDMI back there. Now, if you want to run an external microphone on your GoPro, which a lot of people do, here's the issue. You've got your case for your mount. There's where you would access all of it, and that's not going in there. So, here's how you fix this problem. You've got your door on your GoPro. You hold it down, push it back, lift it up all the way, and it comes out. Now, this still slides. So what you have to do is make sure that this is in, that's out. Make sure it's out. You've got your GoPro. You see that little metal post in there? Right there. Click. Done. So with this door off of there, you can now grab your mount, put the GoPro in, lock it all up, close the door, snap. Now you've got your ports exposed for your external microphone, whatever else you're gonna use. So if this video was useful, helpful in any way, shape, or form, please hit that subscribe button. We're looking for 200 subscribers. I've got some pretty cool videos planned out for you guys, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, the like button, and leave a comment if there's anything else that I missed, or if there's any other uses for these guys. I don't know exactly why you'd want these exposed, especially since the GoPro is an action camera. All right, yeah. That's it for today. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.
Oh.